Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mama Beach and I'm here today to do a kind of a different video for me. You guys know I'm not a big charm girl. You don't really see bag charms on my channel that often. I mean, I love a good tassel, don't get me wrong, but charms, I just can't get into it for some reason. But recently I did a trade with my friend Sue, and you probably saw my most recent video was about the bag from that trade, which was the Coach Edie 42 in Plum, which is a spectacular bag. So if you haven't watched that video, I'm gonna link it below and up here somewhere. Definitely go check it out. But what else I got in that trade is this set of charms. And honestly, they are so darn cute. I don't know if I'll ever use them or if I'll just set them up on my desk here and stare at them because they're really adorable. They are really sought out after in the Coach community. This is from a limited edition line that came out in the Coach outlets for a very short amount of time. And I wish I had gone and bought stuff because, oh my goodness, it just flew off the shelves. And people are still searching for stuff from this collection. It was extremely popular. So the collection I'm talking about is the Wizard of Oz collection. And with that Wizard of Oz collection, I had a lot of different things. Wristlets that had the ruby slippers on them and all different Wizard of Oz logos on SLGs and charms. But these charms, for some reason, people went crazy for. So I'm going to show you the whole set all at once. I have all of them so I can show you guys. They all came in cute little dust bags from my friend Sue, and they are extremely heavy. So I understand why people want to pay so much money for them. They seem like really good quality. So the first charm in this set is the Scarecrow. This is the Scarecrow bear. So all of these are characters from Wizard of Oz, and they are all done as cute little pudgy bears, which I think is so adorable. So you can see this guy has his little Scarecrow hat and his collar. He has Coach stamped on the back. And you can see the tag has Wizard of Oz, and it also has a Warner Brother logo on the other side. And the tag from the outlet is $90 for this when it originally came out. And of course, people probably got them at a cheaper discount than that because it was the outlet. Usually they have like 40%, at least 40% off retail. But these are reselling on the like eBay resale market at almost full price sometimes. It's crazy. People really dig these charms. So here's the next one. The next one I have is Dorothy. So this is the Dorothy charm, and she has her cute little red, blue and white check dress on with the straps. She has her blue bow. They've drawn eyelashes on this one, and she has her little sparkle ruby slippers on. Really darling, really cute. And you can see they have different hardwares going on here, right? So you have like a nickel for Dorothy, and then you have like a gunmetal for the Scarecrow. So it's interesting, they kind of mixed it up with the hardware. The next one I have is the Wicked Witch. This one I think is my favorite. I don't know what that says about me, by the way. It's a green bear, and you can see it's wearing a cape, which I don't know why it's so darn cute. I love the cape and the hat on this one. And it has the pointy witch hat there. And no Coach stamp on this one. Really adorable. The next one is, oh, this is another different hardware. This one's also really cute. It's the Cowardly Lion. You can see this one's done in like a light gold. It has a furry mane that's actually furry, and it has that big red bow on it, just like he does in the movie. And this one's also not stamped on the back. So I think it's kind of interesting so far. The Scarecrow has been the only one that's been Coach branded on the back side. But of course they all have the Coach branding on the other hardware. So they have a little teeny tiny tag that says Coach. And then they have Coach branding on the dog clip and also on the key clip. So they have a bunch of different ways you could attach it to something, whether it's a bag or your car keys. It's nice they give you the versatility, and this setup is the same on all of them. And the last one is the Tinman. It has to be the Tinman, right? Yes, it is. This one is also really cute. Oh, this one might be my favorite. I'm gonna take it back. Here's the little Tinman. You can see he's wearing his little heart around his chest there, and it's fully like movable. So they've glued it on the back side so it can't fall off, but it does kind of move with him, which I think is a nice detail. It's not like drawn on or anything like that. And you can see he has detail on his arms and legs, like he has actual tin panels, and he is stamped Coach on the back. And then he has his little funnel hat covering one eye. So cute. So he is the same hardware as Dorothy. And then you have the gunmetal, which is the Scarecrow. And you have another gunmetal for the Wicked Witch. And then the only light gold one is the Cowardly Lion. I'm trying to show all of them for you. Cover my face. But they are truly just so cute to look at. Really great details. If you love this movie, I mean, you've got to get these things. And you love Coach, you should try to find yourself some because they're really good quality. I mean, they are very heavy charms. So I hope you guys enjoyed this cute little charm video. Not something you see every day on my channel, but I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any information about these charms, or like if you've heard anything about if they're going to re-release them or anything, please put it below in the comment section. And if you have any questions, put it below in the comment section as well. And I always try to go through and answer everyone's questions. If you haven't subscribed, I hope that you will. I talk about handbags and everything related to handbags, all different brands across the board. So if you love handbags, wallets, accessories, I know you'll love my channel, and I hope you will subscribe and join me for my future videos. All right, guys, I'll see you on my next one. Bye.